Welcome to Session 47 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study Law of Sines, Law of Cosines, and triangle area. The focus is to solve non-right triangles and compute triangle area using trigonometric relationships. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Choose Law of Cosines for SAS or SSS data. 2. Choose Law of Sines when an angle opposite side pair is known. 3. Use the included angle area formula. Right triangle trigonometry is only the beginning. The Law of Sines and Law of Cosines let you solve triangles that are not right triangles. Use Law of Cosines for side angle side or side information. Use Law of Sines when you have a known angle opposite side pair. A triangle has sides 7 and 10 with included angle 60 degrees. Find the third side, C. Use C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times cosine C. Substitute 7, 10, and cosine 60 degrees equals 1/2. Then C squared equals 49 plus 100 minus 70, or 79. So C equals the square root of 79. For area with two sides and an included angle, use K equals 1/2 AB sine C. With sides 7 and 10 and included angle 60 degrees, the area is 1/2 times 7 times 10 times square root 3 over 2. That simplifies to 35 square root 3 over 2. Your turn. Which law is usually best for SAS triangle data? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Law of cosines is best for SAS or SSS information. Law of sines needs an angle opposite side pair. Triangle area can use two sides and the included angle. SSA data can be ambiguous, so check carefully. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.